to my channel. My name is Coach John. Here I teach people how to win smartly on their sports betting site. That is why I am here today. So here I will teach you how to learn and win smartly on your betting site, be it M-Sport, BetKing, BetNiger, sport betting, and any type of betting at all. Let me ask you this question: are you tired of losing because you don't understand betting odds? Now you will learn how to read, calculate, and decode sport betting like a pro. It's a very simple task for you to fix yourself into. It's a very simple task. You don't have to go helter scatter before you know about it. Then now I will teach you smartly, simple step by step method to understand odds, make a betting choice, and grow your betting knowledge, all explained clearly and seriously. I promise you, watch to the end of this video. You will never be the same on sport betting. I promise you will not lose anymore. That is my promise to you. You will not lose on sport betting anymore. You will not risk your money again. It will be very easy, because what I have for you guys is very simple and easy. Simple analysis, simple, easy, something that you fit yourself into, and it will be very easy for you to win your money. Whenever you want to stake on sport betting, it will be very simple for you. Just you just go in, you make it very easy, and you go for it. So I believe you stick around this video to the end, because at the end I have a very good bonus for you. I have a bonus for you. You watching me, you listening to what I'm saying, I have a simple step for you so that you will grow more. You have more knowledge, you have more sense and wisdom on your sport betting. Okay, now if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, please. If you have not please like my channel. If you have not share it, please share it to other people, so that they will also participate in our program here on sport betting, on teaching people how to win on sport betting. Tell them that Coach John is here to give you all the tips, very simple and easy for you. So now what I have today is very simple. It's called match odd. I am the one that fished it out. No one told me about that. When I felt interested in teaching people how to make money on sport betting, I just analyze it. It come up to me. I just say, let it be match odd. I call it match odd, football odd, not a betting site odd, not the one you see on your betting site like M-Sports, 1xBet, or any type of betting at all. It's not the one you see there. I said this one is match odd. Then what is match odd? What is match odd? I say match odds are odds you learn when you watch live football. Or match odds are odds you learn when you watch match, you watch ball. Whenever you are watching ball live, you know all the characteristics, you know the logic, you know the behavior, you know the chances of losing and not to lose. Here are the simple definition of match odd, because I bring it out. I try to bring a point out of it. Now I will allow you to digest what you have and what I have taught you before we go. So I give you this simple time. Subscribe, like our video, so that whenever YouTube sees it, it will definitely take the video to other people as well, people who love watching our video, because YouTube will send videos to people who likes it, who want to watch, who are interested. So I will make all my efforts, all my energy will be here for you to do what? Learn what I have for you. Then at the end of the day, your own task for me is do what? Like, subscribe, and share. Go to my comment section. Give me a good result of what I taught you. If you have something good there interested, put it down so that we discuss about it. If there is any marketing odd, any sports bet marketing odd that is difficult for you, write it down on my comments section. Then if you want us to bring a much interesting odds more, you can follow my my WhatsApp handle. It's on the comment section, or you can see it around the end of this video. So I do give you time to do what? Take your time and go around all this that I have explained. Then let's move to the video. Let's move to the direct and important issue that brought us here today. So now we say that people love watching football live. There it in Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, anywhere. People, we have about more than billions of people around the world watching football. People love watching football. But at the end of the day, most of people who don't know anything about football stake their money and they lose. Watching football is not watching highlights. That is not watching football. Watching football is that you finish the first 45 minutes, you finish the second 45 minutes. That is what makes you as someone who loves watching football. And there are benefits. And this benefit is what I brought out today, because this benefit will also help you to make what you need. Like, it will help you when predicting on your sport betting. It will give you a simple and easy way to win your money. Even though you lose, you will not worry at all, because it will be very easy. Even though someone gives you a game to bet, you will just take the game, you go through it, you analyze it, you bet it on your own. You can easily remove some odd and fix some for yourself. Someone has given me a game, then I go through it self. I even make much odd more than what that person gave to me on that day. So now there are people who love watching football, and here are their benefits. Understand? So number one, you say these people, they know team behavior. Let me come again. Don't misquote me, please. I say these people, they know how team behaves. They know how team behaves. I hope you are following me. They know how team behave, because when you watch football, you must definitely know how team behave. Then let's go through it. This help them read odds smarter, especially in goals market like overs and unders, goal and no goal market in sport betting. Okay, example, you know what I mean by a goal and not goal, and even overs and under. What overs and under simple means that how many goals will come on that game. When you watch team behavior, you know how team behave. You know that this team now will give you 2-0, 3-0, 4-0. That is what overs and unders goal simple means. So example, when Arsenal play 3 times, they already know how the odds behaves, not from start, but from your eyes before anything. Arsenal have played for the first time of the season. Arsenal have played for the second time of the season. Arsenal have played for the third time of the season, and you participate in watching that match. You can tell me that whenever Arsenal appear again in playing their match, you can see that it will be very easy for you to predict on that match, because you already know how Arsenal behaves. You already know how Arsenal perform. Okay, let's say number 2, because now you have already know how team behave. You already know it by yourself. No one teach you about it. No one teach you about that. Understand? No one explain it for you. You know it by yourself, because this is a simple, strong tools. Someone knowing something on his own. It's not something that someone will teach you. You know this thing by yourself. It's a very strong tools. And you know that belief is the strongest thing that a human being can have in his life. Believe. You believe on something. You know it. No one taught you about that. Okay, now number 2. He said they understand players' forms and energy. You understand players' form, their forms. You know their energy, their strength, their character. How do these players, I'm talking about players, be it defender, be it striker, be it midfielder, you know how they perform. Now, let's go through what I'm saying now. You say watching live helps you see players' confidence and teamwork. This first 45 minutes, you see how these 11 players were performing in this match. They are making it very accurate and very desirable for you to to stake your money, for you to trust these people. How can I trust Arsenal without knowing how they perform, without knowing their strikers and defenders and all the rest of them? Then I trust them and I'll give them my money for me to win. No, now I will definitely lose. But when you know this team, you know their forms and energy, you know the players already playing this football, it will be very easy and simple for you to give your money to them, and you definitely have some profit or some money from it. Then he said, example, one tired striker can destroy your bet. Watching live helps you to know that before placing your money. This striker is not participating in this match. Mbappe is not even in participating, or like Osimhen is not playing for Galatasaray or Nigeria, for example. Then you want to use your money to play for Galatasaray to win, while you know that Osimhen is not on that match. How can you win? You know that that match will definitely end in draw, or Galatasaray they will win Galatasaray in that match definitely. Even the last game Galatasaray played, if I'm not mistaken, they won them about 5-0 or 5-1. Because Osimhen is not on that match. But when he comes back, you can see that Galatasaray now is now winning back to back, whether being home or away. Whenever you play Galatasaray win, your money will not fall. Even predators are using Galatasaray, simple Galatasaray, to win all their bets. I'm not saying they are simple, but when you see this and you know it, you know that it will be simple for you. Okay, one tired striker can destroy all the money, all the logic you know from anywhere. Watching football live help you. Watching football live simply help you. You know their behavior, you know their forms and the energy, you know how they perform. Then let's move to number 3. For you, watching football live helps you. I'm talking of you watching me, my viewer, someone who will like my video, subscribe, share my video, who are interested in watching my or any of my video, who is in touch to watch whatever I'm doing on social media. He says, for you, watching football live helps you build your football sense. You watch the first match, you watch the second one, you watch the third one, you watch the fourth one, you also watch the fifth one. Out of the matches that play in this season, you have already watched like 15 or 16 matches. It's not really easy. And when you go out there to learn this, to watch this football, you see other people who also know more than you. They will giving you some instance, some history, some knowledge, some understanding. They will giving you some. You just go there, you take a bottle of water or whatever, keep it on your table, and you start enjoying the match with the people you see around there. You will see them. They will, even Chelsea is winning. You will see Chelsea. They will be jumping up, and the Arsenal team or Man City team will be hiding. You will be learning from those people because they will help you. You will learn some sense from them. Because you know why you are there. Just go and make your sense and come back, so that whenever you want to predict your money, you will not lose. He said that it will help you to build your football sense. Your mental sense will change. Okay, now, over time, your brain will start, understand what I'm saying? Over time, your brain will start predicting pattern naturally. That is betting intelligence and knowledge. Over time, your head will develop. Your sense, you'll be interested. Your sense will develop. You will go there to have what you need. Now, he said you will have the simple intelligence and knowledge of football. It will be easy for you to stake your money and you will not lose. Because whenever you watch my video, you continue watching my video, I believe that you will have a risk of 10% to lose your money out of 100. You will have 80% possibility for you to win on sports betting. That I can assure you. I will give you the easy step so that whenever you want to predict your money, it will be easy for you. Now, over time, your eye will then become your best betting tools that anyone will not teach you. Even your betting apps or sites and your betting predictors, people that predict football and give you. Some will say Chelsea will win, Man U will win, Arsenal will win. They will give it to you. You pay them. When you know all this, all the logic, you know how team behave. You know strong team. You know middle team. That is the center team. You know the weaker team, like all these Newcastle, or let's say Brentford, for example, Nottingham Forest as a weaker team, for example. You know Napoli. You know PAG. You know Arsenal as a strong team, the middle team. You also know PAG, Chelsea, Man U as a strong team. You know them. It will be very easy for you not to lose your money. Then you have no one will teach you again. No one will inform you again. No one will inform you about it again. Then number 4, you develop confidence. Just understand what I'm trying to say. You will develop confidence. You have more strength. Whenever you want to bet your money away, you have much confidence. It will be very easy for you. He said when you watch enough, you trust yourself more than any random thieves. Whenever you watch football, you love watching football, you trust yourself. You have this feeling that whenever I want to bet money, like I said Galatasaray before, I said Galatasaray, it will help you to win because you know how Galatasaray also perform. Now, example, that is what separates a predator from a bettor. A predator from a bettor. You understand? Because you have much confidence, you have much knowledge. It will help you to predict in anywhere, in any angle. It will help you. Okay, number 5, you will know when a player is out of the match. It will help you not to lose your money while betting. You know that this striker is not around there. You know that this defender is not around. You know that this goalkeeper, their best goalkeeper, is not participating. And whenever you want to predict your money, in your bet, try to check out. Even it is okay, let's say five match that you want to predict. Make out your time. Check around that people that you want to predict. Check them well. Check it well. It will help you not to lose your money. But whenever you just stake, you predict 20,000, 10,000, it will be easy for you. And even predators will tell you that the higher you predict more game, the easier for you to lose. But I believe that will be true in some way, and that will not be true in some way, because whenever you check, you make some analysis, you make some facts out of a match, you will not lose. Okay, you will start knowing the names of the players. That is also very important. So I believe that you understand my video. I believe that you understand why we are here. You love watching football. I believe that congratulations to you. Continue, because it will help you on sport betting. You that is not interested, please, I would like you to bring out your time. Go out and start watching football, at least for this season, so that it will help you to bet your money and you will not lose. It will lower the risk of losing in sport betting. Understand? So I believe if this video helps you, please do well to share for me, so that other people on other sites, be it Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, they will come and watch our video here on John, or on Odds Decoded by John. Odds Decoded by John. Understand what I'm trying to fish out? I am Coach John teaching you. So I believe that you share it so that they will come and participate. Then you will like, so that YouTube will take this video to other people, and also subscribe, so that whenever I post video, you will come and participate on it. And I believe that whenever you continue watching my video, you will not lose your money. Thank you very much.